Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be applying a lace front bob wig from Aliexpress. It is a 13x4 lace frontal. It has clips, 2 clips in the front and 1 on the back, and adjustable straps. I'm using bold hold here to go ahead and apply the lace. This is my first time actually using this glue, so bear with me. Here I'm just smoothing out the bold hold to apply an even layer. You're gonna let that dry until it gets tacky and clear. I did apply 2 layers of the bold hold, and now I'm just applying the wig. Like I said, this is my first time actually using bold hold to apply my wig. I'm not the type to really glue my hair down, so it was a bit of a challenge for me, but I think I got it. So once you go ahead and apply the lace over the glue, you just want to take a rat tail comb and lightly just comb the hair down and tap the glue into the lace. You don't want to press too hard, just light taps. Next, I'll be applying a headscarf so that that glue has time to settle and just really take hold of the lace. Allow your headscarf just to stay on for a few minutes. It doesn't have to be that long because the glue works pretty fast. I do use a blow dryer to speed up the process, but it doesn't take long. So now it's time to cut the lace. You want to be very careful in this part so you do not cut your skin or your edges. If you're a newbie, I suggest you cut your lace before you put your wig on. But right now, I'm just doing slow zigzag cuts so that the hairline can lay more natural. I'm just using a little alcohol to wipe away any excess glue that's remaining. Now here I'm using a light pressed powder to go ahead and blend in that lace to my skin. Now it's time to get that part and that hair flat. So you want to take a hot comb and just go ahead and smooth down the hair near the part so that it lays really flat and sleek. This hot comb works pretty good. It was just an inexpensive hot comb that I got from my local beauty supply. I think it cost like 20 bucks, but it works pretty good. Now I'm going to flat iron the hair. I'm going to be using my Babyliss Pro flat irons. I love these flat irons. They cost a little bit, but they get the hair really sleek, really flowy. I just love these flat irons. So I'm just going through the hair and passing the flat iron through to get it straight and to bump the ends. I got this wig off of Aliexpress. I'll leave all the information in this description box below. I like how this wig has a lighter density in the front, so it gives that pre-plucked look. I did go ahead and bleach my knots, so that really helped customize the hairline to look more natural. With this wig today, I'm not going to be doing baby hairs. I just want something easy, you know, something just low maintenance. So baby hairs, I wasn't feeling. Now I'm just putting a little bit of edge control along those flyaway hairs, not a lot, just a little bit to lay everything down. This wig's hairline was super natural, and I'm proud of myself for this being my first time applying a wig this way. Two mistakes I did make was I forgot to put pressed powder in my part so that the part can stand out, and the back could have been flat ironed a little bit better, but I was in a rush, but I did get it together eventually. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below. How y'all feel about this wig, y'all? Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, peace.